One who has faith in God sees no obstacles in life, for everything becomes a way to reach Him. This quote from Ramayana correctly captures the thought process of millions of Indians who beat all odds, overcame all obstacles to take the holy dip at 2025 Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. When we started our journey, we simply wanted to be a part of this once in a lifetime event and understand why do millions of people endure so much hardship just to take a dip at this holy sangam. What drives so many to take this pilgrimage? As soon as we reached here, we realized the holy dip is just a small part of this extraordinary experience. The journey before and after the dip is what truly captivated us. For metro dwellers like us, it is easier to say, I can't go into such a crowd, or the water must be dirty. We thought the same before coming here. And yes, some of it is true. But I speak from a position of privilege that made the journey easier for me. What about the countless others traveling here from rural India, the real India? Many walk for don't know how many kilometers, carrying their own food and winter essentials just for that one sacred dip. There are no facilities or luxuries for them. Yet, they come year after year, generation after generation, without any complaint. Some may not fully understand the spirituality behind it, but they return because of one thing: faith. We saw people from all walks of life, mostly from smaller cities of the country.
আমি মহারাষ্ট্র, ভেলোর, ব্যাঙ্গালোর, হায়দ্রাবাদ, চেন্নাই, এখানে পুরুলিয়া, মুর্শিদাবাদ।
Apart from the occasional VVIP movements, there was an extraordinary sense of unity. Despite coming from diverse social, regional, and economic backgrounds, everyone was on the same journey, converging at the same destination. We were all on the same boat. If the millions of pilgrims are the soul of the Mahakumbh, then the Akhadas are its heart. These spiritual orders, which trace their origins back to Adi Guru Shankaracharya in the 6th century, play a crucial role in the event, representing various traditions of Sanatan Dharma. To truly experience this world, you need time. The Akhadas are not only place of worship, but also center of spiritual learning and physical training. They were established to promote both spiritual wisdom and martial arts. Today, they continue to uphold these principles, adapting to modern times. When you witness millions of people undertaking this physically demanding journey with unwavering determination, you begin to truly appreciate everything about this event: the devotion, the resilience, and the sheer scale of human movement, and most importantly, their faith. The faith that this journey and the sacred dip in these rivers during the Kumbh will wash away all your sins and accrue punya. Mahakumbh is much more than just a major event. It's an experience of a lifetime. If you plan to attend, keep an open mind, soak in the abundance of positive energy. Here you will witness the true essence of India. While the media houses portray Mahakumbh as an equal experience for all, the reality is different. There is a clear divide. VIPs arrive in cars, take a quick dip, and leave, while the common people like us walk endlessly, experiencing the pilgrimage in its truest form.